going to take this ugly 1958 house and turn it into this.
3-bedroom, 2-bath, rancher home nestled in the heart of Orlando, Florida. Transformed with paint, new windows, beautiful banding, with some accessories to detail at the front door. Then check out the landscaping and then meet me inside. Wow, this is amazing. So did we make money on this house or not? Wait till the end, we'll give you the skinny of what we've done.
So here we go, day one. We have been inside and seen the house before. This is not a courthouse sale. This was a bank REO. So we got to walk the house. We pretty much know what needs to be done. It's a fairly simple renovation. Rip out the kitchen, rip out all the cabinets, put new appliances, new sink, add a dishwasher, new tile backsplash. Get rid of this island and make a new island. These floors are all coming out. This house is getting wood floors in every room. Oh, look at this planter. That's gotta go. This little knee wall here has gotta go. There's a beam up top supporting so we can get rid of all of this. Carpet's gotta go. Let's go down the hallway. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. The air conditioning and roof are good on this house. It's been done not too long ago, but the bathrooms will need to be redone. Everything in here will get taken out. Let's go in here. There's a bedroom. It's not too bad. Repaint, paint there, new floors. Ceiling fan's good. In here, got to do some patchwork on the ceiling. Rip out the floors, paint the doors, paint these doors. This one, a little bit of work. Fix the ceilings, change the light. This is the master bedroom. Has mirror doors, which is good. But this again needs a whole nother bathroom. Look at this, don't you love this turquoise from the 1950s, 60s? Everybody wants a fur cover on their seat. So down in here we have a carport, storage, laundry room, and a nice patio deck. The sliding glass door comes off of the house and the kitchen. And this has a really, really big backyard. So back here we're not really gonna do too much. It's completely fenced in. Over here we're gonna change the fence. I'm gonna bring the fence up and across and close in the front here. So there you have it. This house doesn't need a whole lot of work, so we're giving it 30 days. 30 days to turn this around. On our first day, we get a dumpster, all the trash. Very shortly, we'll all be inside. So here we have removed the planter, removed the knee wall, removed the kitchen, ran into a small plumbing leak which we had to fix, and we're gonna replace all their sheetrock and turn this kitchen into this. So in order to fit a cabinet, a dishwasher, a sink, a stove, and another cabinet, but then the stove looks weird. So we come up here and do 3 inches, dishwasher 24, sinks 36, 12, 30, 12, 3. Comes out to the total amount and the kitchen looks better. So here we are after 5 days. All the ceilings have been done. We got a sample color on the wall, which Eva says is too bright. This is our kitchen, the island. This is what the kitchen's gonna come out like. Range hood, dishwasher, stove, sink right in the middle. And we're going from this So today we finally have our countertop installation. These guys do a really good job. We have separate countertops for the kitchen and for the island, and it helps us set up to put the tile in, get ready for grout. You can see where we're going to hang the range hood on the right hand side and get this kitchen as close to being finished as possible. All right, so here we are after 2 weeks. We got ceilings, paint, all new wood floors, removed the planters, removed all the junk, put wood floors in the whole house, new blinds, brand new kitchen, granite countertop, nice island. Check out the kitchen. Look at that backsplash. The wavy white, fancy range hood, nice double refrigerator, ice maker. And where are we going? Let's see how we did in this bathroom. We're 3 weeks in here now. 3 weeks in. Bathroom's coming out good. Nice new floor. Master bedroom here. Hallway closet. Second and third bedrooms. Floors came out really good. Let's go take a look in the master bedroom here. See what we got going on. Ceilings are done. Hey guys, how you doing? If you like our content, please hit that like, subscribe button. See you later. So this is the last bathroom to take care of. Master bath. Shower's been glazed. We'll redo the fixtures in here black. New vanity. But I'm not sure what to do with this wall. I'm thinking of putting slats this way and building it up all the way to the top. Or I could put a piece of green sheetrock and paint it and cover it, but that's kind of plain. See if we can do something fancy. So here we've started the repairs on the exterior, pressure cleaning the driveways, painting the exterior of the house, the blue color as a base, the white trim all the way around, planting some landscaping. And this is what the carport ended up turning into after we put the fence. We have this nice little private courtyard. I'm gonna put a little trellis roof up over the top here. We're gonna finish the inside of the laundry room, and we're getting real close to this house being completed. We ran into a couple days of some tropical storms, so we had a little bit of a rain delay. But as the weather breaks here, we're ready to complete the landscaping, do the final touches on the outside of the house, the landscaping, the front door. So here we are, week 4, Wednesday. 3 more days to have this 30-day challenge. So now stepping here to the outside in a little courtyard area we made, we're painting and coating the top. So this could be a private area you can walk without having to have shoes on. This is going to be the courtyard with a fireplace, chairs, and a fire pit. So if you want to see more videos like this of house repairs and what we do in order to buy foreclosures and flip them and turn them around, hit that like and subscribe button. More to come.
The vibe in here is gorgeous with the brand new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, brand new cabinets with the brand new shaker square cabinets. I love this. Brand new. I love everything with it. And then upgraded appliances, upgraded faucets, and the decorations are perfect. I really like the attention to detail that we have in here. The lights go perfect in here. You walk in, it gives such an inviting mood. The blue paint, and then you can go out this door right to the patio. This is great. A private area with a fire pit. I love it. Look at this. I love this. And we have a laundry room over here. Let's go check this out. So it's a separate laundry room. It's like its own little room. all the things you can do in here. This was really transformed, and I like it. I like the extra touch with the floor. And then you have your carport, 2-car carport down here. This fence opens up, and you can bring your car in with your groceries at any time. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Wow, check it out. This is a huge yard. You can put a pool or anything you want in here. I love it. From the outside, we're going to go back in. Easy access. Back to our kitchen. Eat in. Beautiful granite. Dining area. Family room. We're going to head down the hall to the bedroom and bathrooms. Beautiful. I love what you did. So we repurposed this and repainted this, changed the shower head and the tub nozzles and everything. I love the color. Put new toilets, new cabinets, and the backsplash matches the kitchen. So the theme is going through the whole house, which makes it very warm, very inviting, very sellable. Coming out of the bathroom, we have 2 bedrooms right in front of the bathroom. Let's go check them out. We put new floors, new baseboards, brand new windows and blinds. Nice paint on the walls, makes it look beautiful and clean. The second one should mirror this. Let's go check it out. And it does. I like the bright blue and the bright white in here. Floors are fantastic. Let's go check out the primary. Primary is a nice size, good color. We put an accent wall. So again, we did the floor, we did the baseboards, we put an accent wall, and then we're going to go see the primary bath. I really love what he did in here. Check out this wall. It kind of matches in the front door, gives it a rustic vibe. Love it. And again, brand new bathroom, all new faucets, new shower head, new vanity, new toilet, new medicine cabinet, cool colors, new floor. It is ready to be moved in, and this is going to sell in days. Let's go see the rest. Final touch on the closet, mirror doors, and a nice system. So taking you through the whole house. Coming out of the bedrooms, we have a brand new thermostat, new AC in the closet, new water heater over here, and that will conclude everything in this gorgeous home.
So for houses like this and more content from Orlando, Florida, theme parks and more, please hit that like, subscribe button. Epic Adventure Couple will come to you soon from the water park.